Today I'm doing a review on this portable power bank. This one is pretty good size. So you can see here's my hand. It's probably about the size of a large phone, a little bit thicker. You can see some of the information right here. If you're into all the techie stuff, you have a power button right here. When you go ahead and hold that power button on, you'll see that it has some lights on the end. That's really nice, especially if you need, light for plugging things in. If I flip the other side over, you're going to find that you have all of your different charging ends. I really like that this comes with lots of different options and they're all attached just like this. So you don't wind up with a bunch of tangled cords or different cords that you have to carry around. The ends are already on here. So you have this end and they snap right on there for easy keeping. You have your iPhone, Apple products. You have this one, this style, it's a little bit different. But these are all attached on here already, and again, it's really nice because it just has this battery operated, flashlight. It's nice for using if you're camping and things like that, but it's also nice if you're trying to charge things in the dark because you can see where you're plugging stuff in. You can also see it has these ports on this end. Something that is really cool about this is that you can actually charge multiple units at once as long as those, things use two different plugins. So I could charge my Android phone with this one and I could charge my iPad with this one all at the same time. So that is kind of a nice option if you're camping or you're out and about and you just need a portable charge. You have that option. To turn off the flashlights, all you have to do is hold down on that power button, and then if you short press the power button, you're actually going to get a reading on the charge. I don't know if you can see that with my screen, but it does say that it's 69% charged, so you will get the opportunity to see how fully charged this is. So that is a really nice option. It also has the lanyard on it, which makes it easy to hold on to and, store. It's a really nice unit, feels good in your hand, has a little bit of weight to it, but it is still a really nice size. It comes nicely packaged in a cardboard box, has a very user-friendly manual on it. You'll see it has all of these options. So if this is a product that you are considering, I hope my review has helped you decide if it's the right product for you or not. This is a product that the manufacturer did send me in exchange for my honest, unbiased opinion. So hopefully you know now if this is the right product for you. We are really looking forward to using this summer during our camping trips.